Hello, in this video we're going to go over how to find Utah court records. So to get started, come to utahpublicrecords.com and I'll have a link in the description that you can click on or just type this into your browser. On the home page you will notice you'll have a very large list of public record resources available to you in the state of Utah. Now some of these might be useful, but we're going to mainly focus on court records in this video. And so what you'll notice on top is we have special pages, and these would be the most sought after records typically. And so we have created special, more detailed pages for these. So if you hover over other records, you'll notice there's a link for court records and all sorts of other types of records. So let's take a look at this page, and what you'll see here are statewide resources and the different courts. So anything from the Supreme Court to the juvenile court. Now, each of these courts deals with different types of cases. So typically, people aren't necessarily looking at Supreme Court records or Court of Appeals records. Majority of the cases happen at the district and the justice court, and then of course you have your juvenile court. So each of these courts will deal with different types of cases, and you can kind of figure out exactly which one you need. But state of Utah has a single database pretty much for everything. But this just kind of explains to you what the different courts look like and what they do, what the structure is like. Another thing you have available to you is a name search on top, and what this does, it doesn't just pull public record information in the state of Utah, it pulls information from other states too. So let's say maybe you're using court records to figure out if somebody maybe has evictions, maybe has a divorce, maybe has a criminal record. There's maybe some financial information that you need to look up, like bankruptcies, things like that. And so people move from state to state. Let's say maybe they used to live in Washington, Oregon, Texas, Arizona, whatever. And now they're living in the state of Utah. And so if you're just doing your research in Utah, you might miss out on those other locations that that person could have potentially lived in and has some kind of a past there. So what this helps you do is just kind of expand your search, but within a single system. It just compiles all of those databases into a single search system, so you don't have to go from state to state, database to database, and it gives you an almost instantaneous search. And there's also private databases in there, like cell phone records, previous addresses, things like that. So it's a great tool to use in addition to what's available through the state. So once again, visit utahpublicrecords.com and get started on your Utah court records search. Thank you.